Okay, so let's continue our discussion in the techniques of integration in trigonometric integrals. But this time we are now discussing about power of tangents and seconds. And yung format ng ating integrands will be tangent m u secant raised to n u du. So m is now the exponent of or the power of our tangent, and n is the power of our secant. So case 1, m is a positive odd integer. Case 2, m is any number and n is a positive odd integer. And case 3, m is any positive number and n is 0. So let's try examples. Example number 1, tangent squared 2x times secant raised to 4 2x dx. So mag-let u muna tayo. So okay. So let u be equal to 2x. So our du be equal to 2 dx, and 1/2 du is equal to dx. So if we rewrite this one, this will be equal to tangent squared u secant raised to 4u and then times 1/2 du. So this will be equal to 1/2 times the tangent squared u secant raised to 4u and then du. So since our powers are 2 and 4. So, yung m natin is equal to 2 and yung n natin is equal to 4. So, what we will use? What will we use? Okay. So, since our m is 2 and n is equal to 4, we are going to use si case 2. Kasi if we are going to use case 1, m is supposed to be a positive odd integer and our m is 4. So, it is not odd, it is even. And ito naman, si case number 3, m is any positive number and n is 0. So, hindi siya pwede. Now, si case 2 naman, m is any number. So, pasok siya dito. Okay? Though n is a positive odd integer, wala na gagamitin natin si case 2. Okay? So, for number 1, we are going to use si case number 2. Si case 2. So, if we rewrite this one, this is equal to 1/2 tangent squared u. So, si case 2 natin, minus 2 tayo sa power ni secant. Okay. So, this will be equal to secant squared u, and yung natira will be also written here. So, from there, i-group natin tong dalawa. Okay, this one. So, this is equal to 1/2. What is the substitution for secant squared u? So, anong isa-substitute natin? Anong gagamitin nating substitution? For case number 2, secant squared u is equal to tangent squared u plus 1. So, yun yung gagamitin natin dito. So, this will be equal to tangent squared u plus 1 times the secant squared u du. So, this will be equal to 1/2 times the integral of tangent raised to 4u, okay, plus tangent squared u multiplied by secant squared u du. Now, mag-let p tayo ulit. So, let p, okay, so let p be equal to tangent u. So, our dp will be equal to, what is the derivative of tangent u? That is secant squared u du. So, this will be equal to 1/2 times what is tangent for u. So, tangent u is equal to p. So, p raised to 4 plus p raised to 2, and secant squared u du is our dp. So, this will be equal to 1/2 times what is the integral of p raised to 4? So, p raised to 5 over 5 plus p cubed over 3. And then plus c. So, simplifying further, this will be equal to p5 raised over 10 plus p cubed over 6 plus c. Now, back substitute natin si p. So, our p is equal to tangent u and u is equal to 2x. Therefore, substitute natin sa p is tangent 2x. So, this will be equal to tangent raised to 5 2x all over 10 plus tangent cube 2x all over 6 and then plus c. So that is the answer for example number 1. Okay, so now let's try see example number 2. So tan cube x over square root of secant x. Rewrite na lang muna natin to. So this will be equal to the integral of tan cube x times secant raised to 1/2 or negative 1/2 x. Tama? Because tinaas natin siya. So this can be written in exponent as secant 1/2 x, but since tinaas natin siya, magiging negative yung ating exponent. So from there, what case will we use? So yung m natin is a positive odd integer. So let's take a look. M is a positive odd integer. So case 1 yung gagamitin natin. However, si case 3 naman kasi dapat n is 0. So we are going to use case 1. Okay. So case 1, yan. We're going to use case 1 for this problem. So rewriting our integrand or our expression, this will be equal to, paano ba? Ayan, case 1 natin is, okay, tanggalin natin yung isa sa kanila and then ilagay dito. So i-break down natin yung tangent cube x. So magiging tangent squared x. Tapos secant, negative 1/2 minus 1, that will be negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2x times tangent x secant x dx. Okay? So from there, ano i-substitute natin sa mga values natin? So si tangent squared u magiging secant squared u minus 1. So this will be equal to secant squared x, kasi hindi tayo nag-let u, secant squared x minus 1 times secant negative 3 over 2x times tan x secant x dx. So, distribute natin to. This will be equal to secant squared x times secant raised to negative 3 over 2x is secant raised to 1/2 x. And then minus secant raised to negative 3 over 2x tangent x secant x dx. Now, let u tayo ngayon. So, let u be equal to secant x. Now, your du is equal to, what is the derivative of secant x? That is equal to secant x tangent x dx. Okay. So, in getting the value of your dx, hindi na pala natin kailangang hanapin yung value ng dx because we are changing the variables into u. Okay? So, this will be equal to, wait lang. So, this will be equal to the integral of secant x natin is u. So, u raised to 1/2 minus u raised to negative 3 over 2 tangent x secant x dx is equal to du. Okay, so from there, pwede na tayong mag-integrate. So this will be equal to u raised to 1/2 all over, u raised to negative 1/2. Okay? No, it's positive. Kasi 1/2, that is 1/2 plus 1. So 3 over 2. All over 3 over 2 minus u raised to negative 3 over 2 plus 1. That is negative 1/2 all over negative 1/2 and then si plus c natin. So simplifying further, this will be equal to 2u raised to 3 over 2 over 3. And then since negative to, gawin nating positive. And then that will be equal to 2u raised to negative 1/2 plus c. Now back substitute natin si u. What is u? That is secant x. So this will be equal to 2 over 3 secant 3 over 2x plus 2. And since negative ito, ibaba na lang natin. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 over the square root of secant x and then plus c. So this is the final answer for example number